This is for you, the independent, self-sufficient person. It is one of the biggest lies they fed us in the last years, that a person can be fully independent and fully self-sufficient. We are social beings and we are designed to be part of a group, part of a community. This is Matthew Bartolo in Unfiltered Therapy, and this is where I share thoughts that I've learned in the last 13-14 years of seeing individuals, groups and couples in therapy. We are designed to be part of a group. We also say that it takes a village to raise a child. And also for adults, we need a community because it does help physically challenge us, try harder, push ourselves more, because we get engaged in healthy competition with people around us. It helps us mentally when we are thinking of the better good, and we are as a group working towards betterment of our community. And it also helps us emotionally when we are working for our families, relatives, friends, better social fulfillment and emotional well-being. Research shows that even if I am sad and I know that my family, my relatives or friends are in a good place, it helps me fight to be in a better position. So being part of a community, working towards a common goal, helps you emotionally, obviously socially, and also physically. So stop lying to yourself, push yourself, see what you need to work on to be accepted by your community, by a group of people, or to get into a relationship and join a community or a relationship.